Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we are here to do the unboxing video of a brand new air purifier from Dyson. The unit we have here today is from Dyson's air purifier lineup HP09. This is an enhanced version having formaldehyde purification, and it also supports both hot and cool air blower. You can also find additional information in the description box below. Just a disclaimer guys, this is not a sponsored video. I have bought this unit with my own money. As you might already know, all the products I review here in this channel are actively being used by me as a regular everyday consumer to give you my honest opinion. Okay, so without further ado, let's do the unboxing. Please watch this video till the end as I'll be sharing some cool features this unit comes with. As always guys, if you like my videos, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. It means a lot. Thanks. Okay, so the packaging is quite nice. Let's see what comes in this box. As I can see here, there is a warranty card which says it has 2 years of warranty, which is really nice. We have the instruction manual, the quick start guide. So I'll put them aside. Let's move to the next item. Okay, so looks like these are the filters. So each pack has 2 filters in it, and I'll explain them later. This is the second pack of filters. Okay, and now we have the power cable. Okay, and here you go, the nice looking, small and very useful remote. I'll go through the features later on, so please stay with me. Yeah, it's a nice looking handy remote control. Let's keep this box aside. Okay, so here you go, this is the main unit. So let me unwrap this packaging very quickly. Yeah, so as you can see, it has like 360-degree rotation, and if I'm not wrong, so it also comes with a tilt feature as well. So if you can tilt front and back both ways. Okay, yeah, so far so good. Let's look at the filters. So just for your information guys, like when I went to purchase this unit, I was told by the sales representative that every year like you have to purchase these filters, and these are available from their website, or you can go to any Best Buy or other retailers to purchase them. And this unit also has the information on the display, so it will tell you like when it is time to replace these filters. Okay, so now let's move ahead and install these filters. Another good thing about this unit, so guys, like just to make sure this remote control is not lost, so they have been very creative, and they have actually put a magnet kind of feature here, so you can stick this remote control on top of this unit. Yeah, that's a good feature. So as you can see, we have 2 clamps both sides to remove these front covers. So once the covers are removed, you can pretty much go ahead and install this filter. So here are some useful information on the quick start guide. You can follow through like how to install these filters and how to remove them as well. It's fairly simple, but it's good to have it. It also comes with a mobile application, so I'll go through these features later. these are the placements where you should be placing this unit or where not to place this unit. Okay, let's go ahead and put this inner filters first. It's fairly simple, and as per the instruction you will hear a clipping sound. Yep, so yeah, so as soon as you hear the clicking sound, it should be properly installed. Yep. Yep, nice clicking sound, all good. So now that the inner filters are in place, let's move ahead with the outer filters. And these filters have a clear marking on them so that you don't make any mistakes. So please make sure you read them and place them properly. Okay, so it is installed. Let's move ahead and close the cabinets. Okay. Yeah, just making sure everything is installed properly. Last check. Okay, here it is. Awesome, it's all done. Okay, so now it's all ready. Let's go ahead and plug this in and we'll do a quick test. Okay, so let's power it up. And guys, don't forget to remove this sticker from the front. Okay, okay, it has started, and as you can see, it is trying to sense the environment here, and you can see that little graph. And okay, as per the instruction, guys, let's put it in the auto mode. So I'm using this remote, so there's a button called auto. Press that and it will try to do things automatically. Okay, so as you can see here, this graph is showing the current situation here, which is green, which is a good thing. So it has all the sensors built in which will sense your air quality inside the house, and it will try to show you the graph based on the environment. Okay, yeah, that's it, guys. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video, and here are some additional information which might be helpful. So guys, as always, if you like this video, then please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. It means a lot. I'll make another video on this to show the actual setup process. Till then, if you have any questions, please feel free to put your comments in the comment section below. Thank you so much. Take care.